from Aunt Connie and Uncle Up. That's what Auntie Allie and I called him. Yay!
Now you gotta open it again.
Can you unwrap that part? Oh, let's see it. Oh, cool. What is this? Oh,
that is cool.
Now I like that.
That
Mommy
is a cool thing.
might steal that because I really like that one.
Let me show you something.
That one's my favorite.
He can be a dog. I mean a boomer, or he can be a pillow.
A pillow! Oh, how cool! I love those. You know what his name is? His name's Boomer.
You gonna put him back together to be a horsey?
That is so cool. That's awesome. His name is Boomer.
He already has a
Yeah,
name.
you don't get to name him.
That's Boomer.
Boomer. Say thank you. So look at the camera. Say thank you. Can you look at me? Say thank you.